Get your attention. I don't know why it's so funny this time.
I don't know. Keep doing it.
Okay, Daddy's arm is hurting.
Come on, one more time. Laugh again, Sammy. Or you tuck it out from laughing?
Too much amusement.
Okay.
No.